any individual who experiences swollen feet? Swollen feet isn't an issue itself, however indicates a more profound issue. This as a rule happens when there's a development of liquid in the tissue, influencing them to swell. This is known as edema. As the swelling deteriorates, it gets more awkward and it might turn out to be difficult to walk or stand. It can likewise get more difficult, and the feet might be red. Searching for a cure? Here are a few things you can attempt at home to cut the swelling down. Difference hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy is treatment utilizing water to diminish torment and uneasiness. For this kind of hydrotherapy, you will utilize both warm and icy water. The warm water will enable blood to stream, and the chilly dilute will get the swelling your feet. Massage. Outstanding amongst other cures for swollen feet is a foot knead. This helps hurting muscles and jumpstarts the system. It likewise encourages additional liquid deplete to cut down swelling. Epsom salt. Epsom salt can cut down swelling quick, while relieving torment as well. This is on account of it has magnesium sulfate, which can be drenched up by the skin to enable the blood to stream and cut down the swelling. It is additionally helps sore, tired muscles, and can murder foot scent. Ginger. Since ginger is a characteristic diuretic, it cuts down the measure of water in the body, and helps treat swollen feet. This is on the grounds that it diminishes the sodium in the body, which is a major reason for swelling. Dandelion. Dandelion is an incredible cure for swollen feet. It enables the body to assimilate additional liquids in view of its diuretic quality. It likewise enables monitor the sodium level in the body. Exercise. Practicing regularly is essential to prevent your feet from swelling. Exercise enables blood to stream and prevents blood from working up in your lower appendages. Magnesium. In the event that your body is missing magnesium, that may cause swelling in the feet because of edema. Try to eat nourishments that are brimming with magnesium to help battle this issue. Here are some different tips to cure swollen feet. Elevate your legs with the goal that they are higher than the level of your heart. Limit the measure of salt and caffeine you have, on the grounds that they make feet swell. Eat crisp products of the soil, rather than canned merchandise, which have included salt for capacity. Drink heaps of water to keep your body hydrated and wipe out awful microscopic organisms. Avoid sitting for extended periods. Rather, take breaks and stroll around a bit. When taking long treks in an auto, transport, prepare, or plane, consider wearing pressure leggings to prevent feet from swelling.